Welcome to my channel, and today is going to be the second time that I am filming with the Beauty Bay 42 Pan Berries palette. But this is just the first time that you guys are going to see the video because the first one, the lighting got messed up and couldn't be used. But here's the inside of this palette. I do have the 16 Pan Berries palette, but I wanted to get this one, try it out. See if I think that you really need both if you already have one. I know this palette was probably released about a month ago, maybe a month and a half. My ability to keep track of time is a little off these days. But, and I don't really remember exactly what I did last time, but I kind of want to start out with something just really light. And then kind of go in, and of course we got to play with the shimmers and just see what happens. I do want to start with, let's start with this shade Shake, which is right here. And so today is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was okay. Just got to see some family and stuff. Nothing too crazy. We're pretty boring. Did no Black Friday shopping. Went out, spent some time on some trails, got some nature time in, which is exactly what I needed. And yeah, so hopefully gonna get out and enjoy some time outside again today since it's a nice day, and probably in the next week or two it's gonna be too cold to go outside for more than 2 minutes. So trying to soak up every bit of sunshine and just outdoorsy time that I can get, because the winter blues really get me bad every year, but so do the summer blues, because, you know, if you've been around for a minute, you know where I live, it just gets deathly hot during the summer. So it's like there's only a couple months out of the year that I can actually get that outside time that I need. So it's rough. I just pray that one day, my husband and I can make it to one of the coasts or just somewhere with a more doable climate, you know. Okay. One of these days, you guys, I'm gonna have like a brush holder in front of me so I can grab my brushes that way and I don't have to look down, because I know I'm trying to get better about that. I'm sorry. Okay, now, what do I want to do next? I really want to try this shade Lilo right here. Just looks like such a pretty pink. And there are purple shades in this palette, but I'm just more of a pink girl. If it comes to having to choose between pink or purple, I would rather choose pink. I don't know that I have this brush cleaned off. I'm gonna go with no, because the shade is turning way more purple, and guess who did a purple look yesterday? Goodness, of course. Alright, so I kind of screwed myself here. Let's try and cover that up as good as possible. Okay, so we just got more of a raspberry look than that cute pink I wanted. Okay, so this whole weekend of filming, the next couple videos that you guys see are nothing but one calamity after the next. My camera shuts down, no reason, batteries are dying, and my monitor battery just died. So I'm not sure what was going on, but I do know that I screwed up because I thought I wiped this brush off and I didn't. So we've got more of a purple look, and I have to try to figure out what to do, because I feel like when I go to this side, it's gonna be the color that I wanted. So let's just try and dip this into like some kind of purplish shade. Let's try Loyalty right here just to try and balance out the colors, because like right now we're gonna have two different stories going on, and not that I don't do that sometimes, but I didn't mean to do it this time, so I'm kind of like, what am I doing with my life? Okay, that's kind of close. It's kind of close. Maybe a little more purple, so let's go to 1985. And we're just going to try and balance this out, and whatever happens, happens, and we're good and whatever. Okay. But yeah, I don't know what it is. I was so excited because I love filming, and I was like, okay, it's going to be like so much fun. I'm going to get to film 4 videos because I got 4 days off, and I can't film on work days because I don't have time. Why am I going blurry? And yeah, so I was like super duper excited and looking forward to this, and like every day it's been something that I'm just like, why? Like, can a girl get a break? And obviously the answer is no, if you were wondering. But, you know, whatever. It is what it is. One thing that I am good at is, what is that word? Not words, obviously, today. Persevering and just being resilient and never giving up. So, like, throw the damn world at me, your girl's still gonna be fighting till the end, till her last breath. So, that's how we do it here. Now, let's see what else I can hopefully not screw up. Yeah, my video yesterday, I was just in a bad place. And I'm like, today's gonna be a better day. And then, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. It's like, it really is always something. Do these kind of look alike? I think I did an okay job. It looks rough, but I'm just kind of the point to where I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna smooth it out when I go to blend everything in at the end, and it's all gonna be good. Okay, now, what shade do I want to use? Because we gotta go in with a glitter. Right now, this shade Stiletto is just like hitting me. So let's try that. Let's see how this looks. And she is pretty and pink and sparkly and just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Also, I feel like I need to be... Ooh, buddy. We are like going blurry. Yeah, so I redid the camera settings and everything like they should be, but, you know... Nothing is just this whole... Oh, man. I should have known. Actually, I think those colors look really pretty together, though, so I am kind of glad that I screwed up. My palette just keeps falling. I'm trying to get it to be still, and because it's too big to hold while I'm doing my eyeshadow. So I just have it sitting on a bunch of palettes in front of me, and she likes to fall. Okay. You guys, I wish someone could tell me if I'm blurry or not right now. I think I'm okay. I think it's just anytime I move. And I feel like the camera needs to be tilted down more. I'm just not liking this angle. And I think I'm just having a time because, like, it is that time of the month for me, and, like, I don't know, this has just been a really bad, like, hormone time for me. I don't know what it is, but I have just been, like, not myself the last couple days, and I do not like it at all. Like, I cannot be in this really bad mindset this many days. It just is, it's not a good thing. I mean, it's not a good thing for anyone, but, like, yeah. Okay. Just trying to pack that on. Then we'll do the lower lash line, and we'll just kind of blend everything together, and it's all gonna work out just fine. Yeah, those sparkles are just... Beauty Bay shimmers, man. I just have not been able to find anything that that matches it now. Odin's Eye was close. But price point wise, Beauty Bay is much more affordable than Odin's Eye. And so yeah, if you're just wanting some amazing shimmers, but you don't want to pay, you know, that much. Because I mean, you can get some really good Beauty Bay palettes for like, they're always on sale and for like $12. I swear I just saw something like move outside of my door, like outside. That was kind of creepy, but there's nothing there, so that was really weird. But yeah, if you're wanting some awesome shimmers, try Beauty Bay if you've not tried their palettes. Like, they are phenomenal. Like, I loved BH Cosmetics, and then around the time that they announced that they were filing for bankruptcy, I discovered Beauty Bay, and I have not turned back. Like, Beauty Bay is where it's at. So for the lower lash line, I want to go in with this shade Icing right here. It just looks really, really pretty. It's like the perfect pinky purple, so I feel like it will complement everything well. Just help tie it all together. Just absolutely beautiful. Okay, now for that little lower corner highlight, we're going to go in with the shade Cloud right here. Which is just so pretty. So, so pretty. Alright, I just kind of want to go in and kind of blend everything out a little bit more. And then I'm going to go do my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back, and this is the finished look. And I just really quickly, this lip that I'm wearing, it's nude. I don't do a lot of nude lips, but I am in love with this. It's the Maybelline Vinyl Ink, one of the nude shades, and it's called Captivated. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. If you've not tried this lip formula, it's not too drying, and it has like a slight, what is that word I'm looking for? Not matte, but shiny look to it. You can see that? And it just, they wear beautifully all day long. I love these, and yeah, the shade Captivated is just beautiful. So if you're not into like bright, dark lips and you're looking for a good nude, pick that up. It's amazing. And again, this was the 42 pan Berries palette from Beauty Bay. Y'all know I love Beauty Bay. Here's the inside of this gorgeous palette. And that is it for today. So thank y'all so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for supporting me, for commenting, for giving the video a thumbs up, for subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.